Good day. If you're a fencing contractor, builder or landscaper looking for top-notch, durable and stylish fencing, you're in the right spot. Why choose Colorbond? Well, it's resistant to fire, termites and harsh weather. Plus, it's low maintenance and eco-friendly. That means less hassle for you and more time to focus on what you do. Best getting the job done. At Bill Gibson Fencing, we're all about providing top-quality Colorbond fencing that not only protects but also enhances your construction and landscaping projects. Our Colorbond fences are made from genuine Colorbond steel, ensuring they're strong, long-lasting, and look fantastic. Whether you're a fencing contractor, builder or landscaper, we've got the perfect fencing solution for your bulk needs. Worried about installation or large-scale orders? No need. Our experienced team handles everything with professionalism and efficiency. Need customization? We offer a variety of styles and colors to fit any project. Ready to enhance your projects with premium Colorbond fencing? We'll help you choose the perfect Colorbond solutions for large-scale projects. Trust us to protect and enhance your projects. Let's build something great together.